Use BlastMCF to quickly generate drill patterns. An iterative workflow can be used to create multiple patterns for different rock types. BlastMCF simplifies scenario generation with a step-through workflow. To get started, provide inputs to define the blast solid. Define the parameters to control and optimize the drill pattern. Choose the charge rule and timing design values. Configure competing blast design objectives and constraints, like cost and fragmentation. The scenario is safely encrypted and submitted to the cloud for fast processing. Pick the best design from the cross-section of solutions based on acceptable trade-offs. Generate a blast design for different lithological domains. Holes from the first design are used in the next. Define a section to offset new holes from existing holes. Revise the competing blast design objectives and constraints. Choose the best design that appends new holes to existing holes. Create a draft for fine-tune editing of the drill pattern. Update row and echelon IDs for new and existing holes so they are consistent. Next, update hole the names so they are unique and match row and echelon values. Load a polygon for the first group of holes and display a grid. The holes and charge plan vary for the different domains. Refine timing design and execute on-bench processes by publishing to Blast Logic or third-party applications. Thank you for watching. For more information about BlastMCF and Blast Logic, please visit maptek.com.